often do you think about love making? I want you to be very honest. Is it something you think about daily, weekly, or rarely? Do you think Filipinas are more naughty than they admit?
In our church, we discussed that we should wait for the right time. I have this kind of energy,
So you have like full energy.
Oof, like that.
How would your younger self react to your thoughts today? If you're in a serious relationship, how often do you prefer love making? Daily, weekly, or monthly? What's your name and age?
My name is Thea and I'm 23.
I also have a friend. Her name is Thea. So you look so beautiful, by the way. You're welcome. So Thea, here's the question: how often do you think about love making? I want you to be very honest. Is it something you think about daily, weekly, or rarely?
Honestly, I may say that I I think rarely, since when it comes to love life, it's kind of complicated for me. So I rarely think about love making.
We interviewed two ladies earlier. The same answer. Why is that? Are modern Filipinas really like not into like maybe like their gears or something? Why?
Well, I'm kind of curious when it comes to love making, but right now, since as what I've mentioned earlier, I am kind. It's kind of complicated for me. So I'm more focused on my goals right now and to be successful. So I really think about love making, especially that I'm kind of single, you know. So yeah,
So if you are in a relationship, you're probably gonna think about it like every second. So
I think so.
okay, I see. Do you think Filipinas are more naughty than they admit?
Yeah, I think so. Because I'm also naughty inside, but not anymore. If I am in a relationship, I'm kind of naughty and wild as well, but that is with my boyfriend or something like that. But if I am single, then I'll be more focused to other things instead of lovemaking.
How would your younger self react to your thoughts today?
I think she'll be proud for me. She'll be proud because um uh, my younger self is more focused to her dreams. Right now I'm more focused to my goals, achieving those dreams. So I think my younger self will be more proud.
I love that. Last one. If you are in a serious relationship, how often do you prefer love making? Daily, weekly, or monthly?
Hmm. Um, that's kind of embarrassing, but when I was in a serious relationship, we on the first years we kind of do it daily, but on the latter part, it's kind of being more weekly or sometimes just sometimes.
You get tired?
Yeah, probably. Of course, you'll be tired after that love making, but it's kind of like for me on that latter part of the that relationship, you'll be more focused on to your future with him, not about just love making at all. So yeah.
How long have you been single?
Actually, right now, it's kind of complicated. I'm in a relationship for like almost 5 years, and right now I'm almost like I think a week or 2 weeks, something like that. So yeah.
Maybe know what's your job.
I'm a call center agent.
What's your name and age?
Joyce, 24 years old.
Joyce. Okay, so Joyce, here's the question. How often do you think about love making? Is it something you think about daily, weekly, or rarely? I want you to be very honest.
I think daily. It's a part of my routine then and um once na I have sex with my partner, right? Um I have this kind of energy.
So you have like full energy.
Move like that. I have energy, just the happiness. That's all.
Daily. Do you think Filipinas are more naughty than they admit?
Yeah, I admit. Because sometimes I'm more naughty than my boyfriend. I'm so clingy and I want him to be my side always.
How would your younger self react to your thoughts today?
What did it, pardon?
How would your younger self react to your thoughts today?
A bit shy. A bit shy.
A bit shy.
Yeah, a bit shy. And so a bit shy talaga.
A bit shy. If you're in a serious, are you in a serious relationship right now or you're single?
Yes, serious.
Serious. Okay. How often do you prefer lovemaking? Daily, weekly, or monthly?
As I was saying earlier, daily, of course. Daily, I think me as a naughty girl, light, I think every 5 hours. Char.
Wow.
Just kidding, just kidding.
Okay.
Just kidding.
I think that's the truth. half half truth. Okay, every 5 hours, every day.
Lila.
Do you have kids?
Yeah, I have.
Okay,
I
how
have
many
a
kids?
son. I have a son, one only.
One. How long is your relationship now?
Going well, going strong.
How many years?
Secret.
Secret. Okay. Ma'am, may know what's your job?
I'm cashier at Greenstock store near Dayangdang kay Mito.
What's your name and age po?
Michelle, 34.
You don't look like you're 34. Okay. So, Ma'am Michelle, here's the question. How often do you think about love making? Is it something you think about daily, weekly, or rarely?
For me, it's weekly. Yes. For me, lovemaking is giving affection with your partner. Yes, but due to the busy work, so for me, lovemaking is for only weekly. Yes.
Weekly.
Yes.
Do you think Filipinas are more naughty than they admit?
A lot of Filipina is a naughty. For me, because of my friend. A lot of my friend is talking about that, about the making with their partner. So I think a Filipina is a naughty person.
That's crazy. Friends talking about their partners, about doing stuff. Oh, wow.
That is being true to themselves, being parang talking with a friend, talking with a sister. So ganon.
How would your younger self react to your thoughts today?
My younger self, proud. My younger self proud of me for who I am today.
That's good. Now, if you are, I mean, you're in a serious relationship right now, right, ma'am? Like you're married, right?
Yes, yes.
How long have you been married?
7 years.
How many kids?
One.
One. Okay. How often do you prefer love making? Daily, weekly, or monthly?
We are both busy kasi. So, I prefer weekly. That's why. So, we're not seeing each other daily. That's why.
Oh, you're in a long distance relationship right now.
Not necessarily, but my works sometimes going to other places. So, same with my husband. So, that's why.
What's your name and age?
Kathleen po, and 20 years old po.
You're like a little confused with your age. You are 20 years old.
Yes
Okay.
po.
When are you going to turn 21?
This year po, August.
Oh, that's very soon. Advance happy birthday. You're welcome. So, Kathleen, here's the question. How often do you think about love making? I want you to be very honest. Is it something you think about daily, weekly, or rarely?
For me, it's rarely.
Do you think Filipinas are more naughty than they admit?
Sometimes, I guess.
Sometimes they're naughty.
Yes.
How about you, if you don't mind? Are you naughty or not?
Sometimes I think.
You are.
Yes.
Okay. How would your younger self react to your thoughts today?
Ikaw nag-text.
I don't know.
I don't know.
If you're in a serious relationship, how often do you prefer love making? Daily, weekly, or monthly?
Monthly. Yes.
So you're not into love making.
No, I'm not
Are you single or in a relationship right now, Kathleen?
single.
How long have you been single?
4 months.
4 months. Are you like a nurse or you're still studying?
I'm studying student nurse na.
Oh, student nurse. Beautiful. Graduating?
Soon.
Congratulations. Okay. You're from Naga, right?
Yes.
What's your name and age?
My name is Elaine, 21 years old.
I love your dress. Where you came from?
Naga City, here in Naga City.
Do you have like you went on an occasion or something?
From our church.
Yeah, I see. Very beautiful. So here's the question, Elaine. How often do you think about love making? Be honest, okay? Is it something you think about daily, weekly, or rarely?
Actually, I rarely think about it because in that topic, I am not that interested at my age, and in our church we discussed that we should wait for the right time.
Do you think Filipinas are more naughty than they admit?
Um, Personally po, I am I claim parang dalagang Pilipina. We call that dalagang Pilipina.
So more like how do you say that in English? Like the sophisticated. Oh, I like the word sophisticated. Okay. So you're not like naughty. How about the Filipinas, the majority? What do you think?
I don't know. I don't want to judge them.
Oh, okay. How would your younger self react to your thoughts today?
I think my younger self would be proud that my mom raised me right like that.
Are you single or are you in a relationship right now?
I am single.
How long have you been single?
3 years.
3 years.
But someone's
Courting.
yes, courting me.
Yeah. Do you wanna move? Okay lang mag-move kita, Ben. Nauran kaya. Sorry. We have to move. Sorry, guys. It's raining. We have a very expensive camera. So, we have to move. Wala. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay. I really, really love your dress. Okay. So, okay. 3 years you've been single. Okay. May we know what's your religion?
I am a member of Iglesia ni Cristo, Church of Christ.
Church of Christ. And it's really like you have to really wear this kind of dresses, right?
Um, we prefer long dresses like below the knee, like that.
Beautiful. I love it. Okay, well anyway, thank you so much. It's raining very hard now. Thank you so much, babe. Really appreciate your time. Hopefully we earn your subscription, and also if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection